Hello, everybody. Welcome to our third lesson about the roots of a quadratic. In our first lesson, we talked about the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This lesson, we are going to talk about the types of roots that come from different quadratic equations. We will mainly be focusing on the square root b squared minus 4ac part because this is where we obtain our two answers from, because we both have one that adds it to negative b and one that subtracts it to negative b. First, we're going to talk about quadratics with only one solution. This occurs when b squared minus 4ac equals to 0. For example, if b is 4 and then a is 1, and a equals to 1 and c equals to 4, you get 16 minus 16. Therefore, b squared minus 4ac would be 0. And square root of 0, in this case, is just 0. Therefore, it would just be negative b over 2a, leaving only one solution. Another type we're going to talk about are rational versus irrational solutions. For a solution to be rational, b squared minus 4ac has to be positive. For example, if b equals to 2 and then a equals to 2 and c equals to 1, we get 4 minus 8 equals to negative 4, and then we would get square root negative 4, which is 2i, which is imaginary. Basically, if b squared minus 4ac is positive, if b squared minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, it is considered real. But if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, it's considered irrational. Thank you for listening and have a great day.